Good morning students, welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online class 7 subject physical science chapter 5 students. Already I was finished these lessons acid and bases. Next we will discuss about this lessons 1 mark, choose fill-ups true or false. Okay, so first discuss about select the correct option. Select the correct option. First questions, window cleaner contains which of the substances present? Ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, tartaric acid and calcium hydroxide. Already I told ammonia is which one is present, so think it. Okay, so window cleaner contains which of the substances are present? Ammonium hydroxide. Second one, ascorbic acid is more commonly known as ascorbic acid is generally mineral, potassium hydroxide, vitamin K and vitamin C. Which one is the correct answer? Ascorbic acid is more commonly present. எதில் அதிகமாக presence ஆயிருக்கும்? Mineral, potassium hydroxide, vitamin K and vitamin C. So write the answer. Third one, phenolphthalein gives dash color with solution. Phenolphthalein is the indicators. This phenolphthalein gives dash color with soap solution. Already I told. Which one is the answer? Pink solution. Which color is phenolphthalein? Pink. Next, methyl orange turns dash in acidic. Methyl orange turns dash in acidic solution and dash in basic solution. Methyl orange turns dash in acidic solution and dash in basic solution. So which methyl orange turns dash in acidic solution and dash in basic solution? The color is yellow and red and yellow, pink and blue. Next, red and pink. Which is the color? Which one is the acidic and which one is the basic? The answer is red. The methyl orange turns red in acidic. Methyl orange turns red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution Next, straight true or false. One more question. Litmus is a naturally occurring indicators. Is true or false? Litmus is a naturally occurring indicators. Is true or false? It's true or false. Next, sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap. True or false? Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap. True or false? Okay, then next, tamarind contains oxalic acid. True or false? Tamarind contains oxalic acid. True or false? Next, the sting of ants and bees contains formic acid. Already I told, எறும்போ கடிச்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா அப்போ என்ன அங்கே ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு already I told. So formic acid. Which acid is present? Formic acid. This and the question is true. The sting of ant and bees contains formic acid. Is true. Next one is the fill in the blanks. Amino acids are the building block of proteins. Amino acids are the building block of proteins. Proteins illana amino acids illa. Okay, next, salt formed by the neutralization of a weak acid and strong bases. Salt formed by the neutralization of a weak acid and strong base is basic salt. நார்மலாகவே சால்ட் நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் போது வீக் ஆசிட்ஸாகவும் ஸ்ட்ராங் பேஸாகவும் வந்துச்சுன்னா தட் மீன்ஸ் த பேசிக் சால்ட். டீ கண்டைன்ஸ் டானிக் ஆசிட். டீயில் என்ன ஆசிட் ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கு? டானிக் ஆசிட். டீ கண்டைன்ஸ் டானிக் ஆசிட். Fourth one, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid which help in digestion. Already you studied in biology. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in our stomach. Okay, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid which help in digestion. Next one is the natural indicators. Second topic, select the correct options. Dash is used as a preservative. The option is sodium chloride, calcium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, lime water and hydrochloric acid. The answer is hydrochloric acid. Next, dash is used in making batteries for vehicles. Dash is used in making batteries for vehicles. The answer is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, ammonium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. The answer is sulfuric acid. Next, third one, China rose is a natural indicator. China rose indicators turns dash with aerated soft drink. Green, magenta, blue and black. Which color means magenta color? Which color? Magenta color. Next, fifth one, ammonium chloride is a dash salt. Basic, acidic, neutral, none of these. Which one is the answer is acidic. Next, whether true or false. Next one is the true or false. Phenolphthalein gives a pink color with acidic solution. True or false? This answer is false. This answer is false. So phenolphthalein gives a pink color. Acidic solution. False. Heat is always absorbed in neutralization reaction. False. Heat is always absorbed in neutralizations reaction. True or false? False. Sodium hydroxide remains with phenolphthalein. Sodium hydroxide remains with phenolphthalein. False. Acids react with metal to form hydrogen gas. True or false? True. Next, fill in the blanks. Baking soda solution turns turmeric to red. Baking soda which color is turned? Turmeric enna color la changes agum? Red color la. Next, dash acids are weak acids. Organic acids are weak acids. Dash acids are weak acids. Organic acids are weak acids present in plant and animal products. Present in plant and animal products. Next, soda water is acidic in nature. Soda water is acidic in nature. Curd changes China rose indicator dark pink in color. Curd வந்து China rose indicators add பண்ணனா என்ன கலர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுதுன்னா dark pink in color. Dark pink in color. Next, third topic is the neutralization. This topic 1 mark. Select the incorrect statement. Bases are bitter in taste. Acid taste sour. Acids feel soapy on touching. Indicators are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. Bases which taste is bitter in taste, which is incorrect statement. Bases also bitter in taste. Acid is sour taste. Acids sour taste. Acids feel soapy on touching. Indicators are used in test whether a substance is acidic or basic. The incorrect statement, acids feel soapy on touching. Okay. Second one, select the add one word. Common salt, curd, sugar, tamarind. Which one is the correct answer? Second and fourth. Curd and tamarind. This is the sugar, this is the salt. The curd and tamarind is the other substances. Next, true or false. Next one is the true or false. Grapes contain ascorbic acid. True or false? False. Appa which acids are present in grapes? Think it. Okay. Next, curd contains calcium hydroxide. False. Appa which of the substances are present in curd? Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash can cause damage to buildings. Dash can cause damage to buildings. Historical monuments, plants and animals. Which one is acid rain? Acid rain எது damage பண்ணும்? Buildings and plants and animals damage பண்ணும். Next, window cleaner turns red litmus paper to blue in color. Window cleaner turns red litmus paper to blue in color. Okay. Next topic, neutralization in everyday life. Write the chemical name of the following substances. Write the chemical name of the following substances. Milk of magnesia. Which of the substances following acids are present? Magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia present in magnesium hydroxide. Baking soda present in sodium bicarbonate. And calamine solution present in zinc bicarbonate. Zinc bicarbonate. Fourth one, quicklime. Quicklime present in calcium oxide. and slacked lime present in calcium hydroxide. Next one is the match the column. Column 1 indigestion, ant bite, factory waste, acidic soil and basic soil. And column 2 slacked lime, basic substances, organic matter, calamine solution and antacids. So students, I have already attached this lessons PDF file. So now I have revised, now I was finished one more question for this lessons. So all of you watch PDF file and write the question answer in your classwork and read daily portions. Okay, thank you students.